Fatal train accidents. A tragic reminder of rail safety challenges. Train travel has long been considered one of the safest and most efficient modes of transportation. With millions of passengers relying on rail systems across the globe, it's easy to overlook the potential dangers that lurk beneath the surface of this vast network. However, when fatal train accidents do occur, they are often devastating, capturing global headlines and prompting serious questions about infrastructure, technology, and human error. In this video, we'll explore the causes, consequences, and historical significance of fatal train accidents, while also examining what can be done to prevent such tragedies in the future. The hidden dangers of the rails. At first glance, train travel appears far safer than traveling by car or even airplane. But trains operate under a delicate balance of human control, mechanical function, and environmental influence. A single failure in any of these systems can result in catastrophic consequences. Several key factors contribute to fatal train accidents. Human error. The most common cause of train accidents includes miscommunication between conductors and dispatchers, fatigue, or misjudgment. Mechanical failure. Brake failures, signal malfunctions, or issues with track integrity can all lead to derailments or collisions. Poor infrastructure. In many regions, outdated tracks and poorly maintained equipment are accidents waiting to happen. Weather conditions. Heavy rains, landslides, or ice can cause trains to derail or lose control. Sabotage and terrorism. In rare but horrifying instances, intentional tampering with railway systems has caused fatal incidents. Notable fatal train accidents in history. Throughout history, there have been several train accidents that not only caused tragic loss of life but also led to significant changes in rail safety protocols. 1. The Granville Train Disaster, 1977, Australia. On January 18, 1977, a commuter train derailed and crashed into a bridge in Granville, New South Wales. The bridge collapsed onto two carriages, killing 83 people and injuring more than 200. The cause was poor track maintenance, and the tragedy led to major reforms in Australia's railway system. 2. The Eschede derailment, 1998, Germany. Germany's fastest train, the Intercity Express, ICE, derailed due to a cracked wheel. Traveling at over 200 kilometers per hour, the train slammed into a bridge and killed 101 people. The Eschede crash highlighted the risks of high-speed travel and spurred technological improvements in wheel design and inspection routines. 3. Santiago de Compostela derailment, 2013, Spain. A train traveling at twice the speed limit derailed on a sharp curve near Santiago, killing 79 people and injuring over 140. The incident was blamed on the train driver's negligence. It prompted debates about automatic braking systems and whether too much reliance was placed on human operators. 4. Bihar train derailment, 1981, India. One of the deadliest train accidents in the world occurred when a passenger train plunged into the Bagmati River during a monsoon storm. The cause was likely track washout due to flooding. Estimated deaths range from 500 to over 800, though the exact number is still debated. 5. Amagasaki rail crash, 2005, Japan. Known for its efficiency, Japan was shocked by this derailment that killed 107 people. The driver was speeding while attempting to make up for a 90-second delay. The crash revealed issues with excessive pressure on employees and the need for better speed monitoring systems. Emotional and economic fallout. Beyond the horrifying loss of life, fatal train accidents have deep emotional and economic repercussions. Families are shattered, communities grieve, and survivors often carry lifelong physical and psychological scars. These events also prompt public outrage, demanding accountability from railway companies and governments. Economically, the impact can be massive. Rail lines are suspended, businesses suffer supply chain disruptions, and governments face lawsuits and compensation demands. In many cases, multi-million-dollar lawsuits follow major crashes, affecting the financial stability of transport companies. Modern technology. Can it prevent future disasters? With the rise of automation and AI, railway systems now have more tools than ever to prevent fatal accidents. Technologies such as positive train control, PTC, an automated system that can override human error to slow or stop a train in dangerous situations. Track monitoring sensors. Detect fractures, heat damage, or misalignments in rails before they become catastrophic. Real-time GPS and communication systems. Ensure trains operate within assigned paths and speed limits with constant oversight. Despite these advancements, the implementation has been slow, particularly in countries with underfunded infrastructure. Cost, bureaucracy, and lack of political will often delay essential upgrades. Safety culture and human accountability. No technology can completely remove human responsibility. One recurring theme in fatal train accidents is the breakdown in communication or decision-making under pressure. Creating a safety culture, where staff are adequately trained, supported, and held accountable, is just as crucial as installing modern equipment. Rail companies need to move away from punitive systems and focus more on proactive education, stress management, and practical simulations. When employees feel safe and respected, they perform better and are more likely to adhere to safety standards. Public awareness and responsibility. Passengers also play a role in maintaining safety. Disobeying rules, trespassing on tracks, or distracting drivers can lead to serious accidents. Governments and transport companies should invest in public education campaigns to reinforce safe behavior around train stations and rail crossings. Additionally, public demand can push governments to invest in modern infrastructure. Advocacy, community engagement, and media attention can help keep train safety on the national agenda. Final thoughts. Fatal train accidents, while rare compared to other forms of transport incidents, are deeply traumatic and widely felt. Each tragic event is a grim reminder of the gaps in our systems, whether technological, structural, or human. While no system can be foolproof, the goal should always be to reduce risks as much as possible. With the right combination of technology, training, infrastructure investment, and public awareness, future tragedies can be prevented. Every life lost is one too many, and each accident must fuel the drive towards safer, smarter rail systems across the world. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever witnessed or been affected by a train accident? We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.